what's up? It is BrandyChanell, and if you are new to this channel, here on this channel we talk about everything but barking dogs. Hey guys, what's up? It is BrandyChanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos and you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. All right guys, so today's video, by the time I'm recording this, the website will be up, launched, and ready. These are 3D mink lashes, Strands by LoveAmber Co. and in the style Virtue. This is a new small business opening here in Charlotte. Amber has been doing wigs. She does wigs, and she also does now lashes, and like a whole shebang going on her website. I will leave all the information in the description box, and I will put the website here again on the screen for you guys. I met Amber probably back, I want to say like, maybe like 2015 at a natural hair show. And we kind of like kept in touch via social media over the past few years. She sent me these lashes to review. Y'all, these lashes are amazing. I will let you know the price, but if you guys have never worn mink lashes, they do feel a little bit heavier than your faux lash, like a Ardell or any other kind of Kiss brand or something like that, kind of a synthetic. They're gonna feel a little bit heavier and the band's gonna be a little bit thicker, but it's because these are more, they're high quality, so you can wear them more often than you would your standard Ardell or kind of, I would say, single use eyelash, false lashes. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see them, but like, y'all, look at this. Gorgeous. And like I said, if you are not used to wearing mink lashes, these are going to feel a little heavier on you, because the first time I tried them on, I was like, oh no, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do these. I feel like I have like lashes like this. But this is the second time that I've worn them, and they don't feel as heavy as they did before, and I have a feeling the more that I wear them, the more I'll get used to how they feel. I mean, lashes feel heavy anyway if you've never worn lashes before. All right, I'm going to show you guys the application first, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product up close, personal, and in your face. Alright guys, I did put it on the screen, but I did want to mention these lashes, when you purchase them, they come in a cute little kit. It comes with this eyelash wand applicator thingamajig. It comes with some really nice tweezers, and it comes with a waterproof glue. So the style I have is Virtue. These are amazing. This is the second time I've worn them, and I'm just going to show you guys the application here. This is not the waterproof glue because I have some other glue and I didn't want to open the other one yet, but it's the same type of duo glue, and you just apply it to the lash line, and they literally go on like any other single use or drugstore kind of lash, but these are of higher quality for sure. And finally, I have to say that this lash applicator is on point, and I'm so happy and really excited that they added this to the kit, because it does help with the application and clamping down of the lash. It's a game changer. Alright guys, I think that's really all I have to say. I will obviously do a blog post on these lashes as well, and I plan on wearing them to a wedding this coming weekend, so I just cannot wait to just take tons of pictures with them. But they are absolutely gorgeous, and you guys should try a pair when the website's up. Alright, catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know once you do purchase your pair. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Bye! And a special shout out to Amber and her team for sending me these lashes. Ooh, I just wanna have a good time. Sit around now. Ooh, bunny hop, drop, drop.